So this video is going to explain you how to use the impedance value in the multisim. Okay, let us see how to do it. So this one we have already seen in the previous video. Now let us take the example of how to use an impedance value in multisim. So this is a circuit I'm going to explain you. This is an example circuit for you. So here we want to find the current and see all the values are in ohms, so they are in impedance. So go to the multisim. I already placed two resistors. So I want to place the inductor and capacitor. So they are going to be impedance value now. Go here. You can find a Z load. Can you see? Yeah. Select it. Plus J, you have to take it for the inductor, and minus J block for the capacitor. So now I'm going to give the value for inductor. So I'm taking A plus JB. Click OK. Place it. Two inductors are there, so two blocks, and one capacitor is there. So for capacitor, one block. Close it. Then we want a AC voltage source. As usual, from your sources, click to the power sources, signal voltage sources, select AC voltage. Fine. Then we want a ground, the ground pin. Close. So now we'll see how the connection are. One inductor. Fine. So this is our inductor, resistor, capacitor, and this is another inductor. We'll rotate it. So let us connect all these elements, then we'll look into the values. Yeah. We are connecting the elements one by one. Yes, it's done. Let us see the two resistor values, 4 ohms and 16 ohms. 4. This resistor is 16 ohms. Then the inductor value is J20 ohm. So there is no R value, so make it to be 0. This is 2. Don't use the J. So when it comes to frequency, the operating frequency value, just check here. We don't have a frequency at all. So when a frequency is not given, by default we have to take the angular frequency omega to be, we have to take the omega to be 1 radian per second. If omega is 1 radian per second, then the frequency will be 159.8 millihertz. So I'm going to use that value here, 159.8 millihertz. So it is 20, right? Okay. Then this inductor 25. Inductor, so make the resistor value to be 0. This is 25. The frequency is 159.8 millihertz. How I calculated this 159.8 millihertz? We are considering default value as omega to equal to 1 radian. For 1 radian, the frequency value is 159.8 millihertz. Then the capacitor value is 14. So this is for the capacitor, right? So make it to be 0, 14, and the operating frequency is 159.8 milli. Yes. So if you want to rename it, you can rename it. Okay, go to the label. This is your inductor, right? Inductor. This is your capacitor. for your understanding. And this is also your inductor. Finished. Since there are two inductors, I'm writing as inductor 1. Done. Now we have to give the voltage value. Click it. Value. What's the voltage? 12. So 12. The phase value is 0. The frequency we had given is 159.8 milli. Since we are going to use AC analysis, so same whatever you give the peak value has to be followed here. 159.8 milli. Save it. In this problem we have to find the current here, so use a current probe. You know where is a current probe, already we have seen in the previous video. Place your current probe. So now we place the current probe, we have to simulate it. So whenever we want to find the AC voltage or AC current, it is recommended to use AC analysis. So that's what I demonstrated in the previous video. Here also I'm going to do the same thing. Go to simulate. See why I'm using that? Because I want to find the current, AC current. So go to simulate, analysis, AC analysis. So the frequency is 159.8 milli. So it is 0.1598. It's only one frequency value. So the start and stop should be the same values. Linear, vertical scale should be linear. The output is a current probe which automatically selected. The probes are to check the outputs. So by default the multisim will select the probes. Further, if you want any other things to be added, we can add it. Here we want to find only the current. So the current probe is the output variable. Simulate. So we want the cursors, magnitude cursor, the phase value. So you know this, move your mouse. When you see your hand, right click, select, go to the next Y value. The same thing in your face also. When you find a hand, right click, go to the next Y value. So this current value, the current flowing through this resistor is 14.98 milliampere, and the angle is minus 71.4. What is this 159.8? It is our frequency. So is that clear now how to use your dependent sources? So just have a view of the full view of the analysis. So hope this video is clear for you people how to use the impedance value in multisim.